In the ever-evolving landscape of healthcare, managing the intricacies of medical billing has become a crucial aspect of maintaining a successful practice. At Revantage Healthcare Business Solutions, we specialize in offering comprehensive medical billing services tailored to meet the unique needs of healthcare providers. Our goal is to simplify the billing process, allowing practitioners to concentrate on what they do best, providing exceptional patient care.
One of the key benefits of partnering with Revantage is our commitment to accuracy and compliance. Our expert team is skilled in navigating the complexities of billing and coding, ensuring that claim submissions are precise and meet regulatory standards. This diligence not only reduces the risk of denials, but also enhances the likelihood of quick approvals, which is essential for maintaining cash flow. By utilizing advanced technology and data-driven strategies, we mitigate errors that could otherwise impact your revenue cycle. In addition to improving accuracy, our medical billing services are designed to expedite payments. We implement optimized billing strategies that significantly shorten payment cycles. This means you can expect a more consistent cash flow, enabling better financial planning and stability for your practice. By reducing the time it takes to receive payments, we help you maximize your reimbursement rates and ultimately increase your profitability. Transparency is another cornerstone of our approach at Revantage. We provide detailed, regular reporting, giving you clear insights into your billing processes and financial performance. This transparency fosters better decision-making and ensures that you remain informed about every aspect of your revenue cycle. Our dedicated support team is always available to address any billing queries, further enhancing your operational efficiency.
At Revantage Healthcare Business Solutions, our mission is to empower healthcare providers. By streamlining your medical billing processes, we help eliminate unnecessary complexities and claim denials, ultimately increasing your medical revenue by up to 30%. Partner with us to enhance your financial performance and reclaim precious time to focus on your patients and their care. Let us handle the intricacies of billing so you can elevate your practice to new heights.
Need guidance or have specific questions? Our team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Contact us today for more information.